So we gotta go ahead and we gotta get some deals. We gotta get some deals. You guys ready to get some deals? You ready to get some deals? Let's get some deals. Whew. So I just had a meeting with my lease team manager. Went pretty good.
Do you know that Edson's actually on the phone?
Yep. Oh.
Dylan, are you doing everything you need to do today? Are you doing everything you need to do? Because you need to get back to the office and you need to do the stuff you need to do.
Tell the people what happened today.
Okay, so I told this dude that we're coming to his house, right? Blake and I, we show up. And turns out he lives, same street address, but in a completely different city.
What? Yeah, we'll get him next time.
Yeah.
You see this? Yes. You see him accepting the process?
We just finished an awesome week. Eric Brewer came to town. If you guys don't know him, he is one of the most genuine people I've ever met. He came to look at our business, see where we're at, see where we want to go, and help get us on that right track. Remember, no matter how big your business gets, you always need to invest in coaching. You always need to get yourself to that next level. And sometimes it takes somebody from the outside looking in to help you get there.
So can I tell you something real quick? Make sure you get it on camera. We had a pretty cool thing that just went down. As a leadership team, Scott, Jess, and Sean decided that it was good for us to go to in-person appointments. Sellers want to see the person they're selling their house to, so we made the decision that we were going to change our process. But we knew that the sales reps and everybody here had the opportunity, and we really wanted to hear from them whether or not they thought it was a good idea. So we brought everybody in, we asked them, we said, hey, we think this is a good idea, what do you think? It was a hit. Everybody was like, hell yeah, we should be going to in-person appointments. We're excited about doing it. Let's get some process documented. And then we did a cool little contest where we put a lead up on the board and we asked them a question. Should we go to the appointment, yes or no? And what's the most important piece of information up there? What we found, and the people that won the money, we're about to give away $300 cash here to the sales staff. The reason they got the money is they found that the most important thing wasn't how much money we were going to give for the house. The most important thing was, what's the problem that we're able to solve for the customer? And on that particular lead, the customer had a problem with the condition of the property and they were a little stressed out about it. And we're excited about our opportunity to fix that problem for them. And now we're going to give away some money to the team because they did a good job.
Let's go.
Thanks, man. I'm going to Mastro's.
Yeah, absolutely.
Good steak.
There you go.
With me if you're out. 550 on the 5.
Stop.
So guys, I wanted to bring everyone together just to give a quick little shout out. Edson got a contract. He was here late, grinding, putting in the work.
Our new guy in the office, Edson, closed the deal by going the extra mile. He literally sent a contract, got ready to walk out of the office, leave for the day. And at that point in time, you realize, hey, I need to go back and call this seller, walk through the contract with them. He did that, nailed that contract. So we went ahead and got some champagne to celebrate that. You always want to celebrate somebody going the extra mile. He did that. He did a killer job with it. Now on to the next deal.
So let's give Edson a big warm of applause and shout out.
Got the problem with the what?
We spent so much time building up a new team over the past couple months, and honestly, they're doing such a great job. We've got killer sales team in here. They are going the extra mile with all of these deals. They are hitting the phones hard. The hunger is absolutely amazing. I missed seeing that hunger around the office, and these guys are gonna make so much money. They're gonna make the company so much money. I cannot wait to see what the next year brings.